In this video, I'll guide you through how to enable daily backups on Bluehost so your website is automatically protected without you having to think about it every day. We'll walk through where to click, what to look for, and how to turn on daily backups using CodeGuard inside your Bluehost account. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Bluehost portal in your web browser. This is the main dashboard where you manage your hosting, your websites, and your settings. Once you're signed in and you're on that home screen, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. From that left-hand menu, click on Websites. This section shows you all the websites that are currently connected to your Bluehost account. If you only have one site, you'll just see that one listed. If you have multiple, you'll see them all here in a list, each with its own options. Find the site you want to protect with daily backups. Next to that site, you'll see a button or link that says Manage. Go ahead and click Manage. This takes you into the detailed settings area for that specific website, where you can control things like performance, security, and of course, backups. Once you're on the management page for your site, look towards the top for a row of tabs or sections. These might include things like Overview, Security, Performance, and so on. What you're looking for is the Backups tab. Click on Backups to open the backup settings and tools for this website. In the Backups area, Bluehost typically provides a basic backup solution that might only run weekly. Weekly backups can help, but they may not be enough if you're updating your site regularly, publishing new content, or running an online store. To get more frequent and reliable protection, Bluehost uses a tool called CodeGuard. Here, you want to install CodeGuard. Look for an option or button related to CodeGuard backups. This might appear as an add-on, a feature, or an activation button. When you click to install or activate CodeGuard, follow any prompts that appear on the screen. Depending on your account, you may need to confirm the feature, choose a plan if required, and accept the terms. Once CodeGuard is installed through the Backups tab, it will upgrade your backup schedule from the usual weekly backups to daily backups. That means CodeGuard will automatically take a fresh snapshot of your website every day. If anything goes wrong, such as a bad update, a plugin conflict, or accidental deletion of content, you'll have a recent restore point to roll back to. After installation, it's a good idea to double check that daily backups are active. Inside the Backups or CodeGuard area, you should see information about your backup schedule and the status of recent backups. Look for confirmation that backups are running daily and note when the last backup was taken. This gives you peace of mind that your site is being protected automatically. That's all you need to do. You went into your Bluehost portal, opened the website section, managed the site you want to protect, switched to the Backups tab, and installed CodeGuard to upgrade from weekly to daily backups. With that in place, your website has an extra layer of safety, and you'll be much better prepared if you ever need to restore your site quickly.